Michael Lewis is out with his new book, which has gotten a lot of play, a lot of sensationalized play. Some would say, is there truth to it? What are your thoughts on his book and the reaction to it?
Well, I had Michael Lewis on with Brad Katsuyama, who started this new exchange called IEX. And I asked them both, do you regret saying that the markets are rigged? Because I can see, little by little, certainly Brad is backing away from it and saying, well, I didn't mean the markets are rigged, I meant part of the markets are rigged. I said, no, you said the markets are rigged. He said, well, I said it once. I said, yeah, you said it once, and once is enough. I will go on the record right here. The market is not rigged. I mean, the retail investor putting money into the stock market, that investor who is looking for sound investments over the long term, is doing a wise thing by looking at the market, looking at equities, looking at corporate America for growth. And they are not being impacted by these fast traders that are operating in milliseconds, trying to get an edge over other institutions. There are players that I believe are doing wrongdoing. And these are fast traders that skim off the top and try to get in front of trades. They see all of the bids and the offers out there for stocks, and they try to get the cheapest price. Those people who are doing that should stop doing it, and the SEC should actually get their arms around this. But this is not a new idea, front running. This is not something that just became enlightened by Wall Street, because people have known about front running for a long time, but the SEC has done nothing about it. So even though some traders are doing this, getting in front of other orders, it's all around within the confines of what's legal. So unfortunately, you can't say that they're breaking the law, because the SEC has allowed people to navigate and figure out better ways to do things. And unfortunately, over the last 20 years, while I've been covering markets, things have changed quite a bit. There are new participants in the market. There are new strategies. You've got a ton of new strategies with which to invest. And things have gotten cheaper, faster. And as a result, certain players have figured out the fastest, cheapest, quickest way to get in front of line and get their trades done at the expense of others. That's a very small part of the market, and it doesn't impact the retail investor, I believe. Having said that, it should be changed. There are pockets of the market that people are able to get in front of others, but the SEC has not done anything about it. We haven't had a real market structure review in 20 years. So I'm glad Michael Lewis came out with the book to put this at the forefront, to actually get the SEC guilted into doing something about it. But is the market rigged? No, I don't believe that it is.